G'day everybody, it's Shay from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a BMW 7 Series CD player, 760i. Tools you will need is a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic spudger and a towel. Actually, we're going to use a towel today just to protect the dash. We're going to lay that down there just so that we don't scratch anything we don't want to scratch. Now, the first part we're going to remove is this plastic surround here. It's held in with 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will need to give it a bit of curry to get it out. Ours is already loose for the purposes of the video, but those clips there hold it in very tightly. Okay, so we're going to put that aside just for the time being, and that will expose 1, 2 screws, which we're going to remove. And once those 2 screws are out, the whole system will slide out now. Now on the back of it, you've got 2 electrical contacts. And there we go, we've got a bit more room. So press that button, pull that towards and pull out. And this one here, this one I think just pulls out just like that. And that unit is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.